Today we're going to learn about 3 different types of footprints. So, we all know the first kind of footprint. It's called a footprint. Like when you go on the sand, you leave the footprint like this. So this is your footprint. The next comes that carbon footprint. It shows how much you live, how do you do things in the earth, on the earth. And the last one, which comes our digital footprint. It is the footprints which are on the computer, not on the ground. So it means whenever you go online, whenever you go online, you leave behind information about yourself. Like if I'm stepping on the ground, I leave some information. What I do on like YouTube, on Google, what I shop, and like LinkedIn, and this is our digital footprint. Now we're going to do a small activity too. When we don't do anything, it stays black. But when we do things like when we do WhatsApp, it comes on our digital footprint. If we do some watching on YouTube, it comes on our YouTube. If we do some exercise on some exercise video, it stays on our computer. If we do some painting, it stays on our computer. If we do some email, it stays on our computer. Everything which we do all on the computer stays on the computer. Stays on the computer only. It'll never ever go anywhere. Like do some painting and like this will go here. And we do some reporting or search something. YouTube something. And this is all about your digital footprint. And remember that do good things, then do good things on the earth, and do good. This is all about the 3 footprints. So, reduce, reuse, and recycle. And reduce your carbon footprint, and reduce, reuse, and recycle to make the planet clean, green, and healthy. So, don't play too many games, otherwise the computer will remember it. Bye bye.